Ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. If you look around, you'll notice ukuthi akusi studio sethu kuphela esishintshile, but there's also itafula elishintshile. That's the Betway Premiership table. We've got Sundowns number 1, Kaizer Chiefs number 2, Orlando Pirates number 3. So vandag, it's Friday, we're shooting this video. Kusasa Pirates yadlala against Magesi. If they do win, it means they go to number 2. Ngiphethe ibhakani elikhulu la nomnandi mfowethu.
Mnandi.
Shaphu kanjani?
Hekusesho mshaya.
South Africa yonke yanihleka.
Kurafu. Qale kabi.
But the whole December mayo kuma holidays benihlale ku number 2, then nifika ku 2026 you don't even score a goal. How do you feel about that?
Siqale sivule kabi season. I think lento le eyokuya kunto AFCON isibulele because sihambe sisefomini then bheka manje masibuya sidropile yonke into yeyashintsha nje.
Yeah.
So season second round siqale kabi.
So would you say because abantu ababhayo bathi vele hayi iChiefs ayikho mnandi ama-player abawakhethanga for i-AFCON, but most ama-player webhakaniya ayile AFCON, would you blame it on that uthi ama-player wama-cartel?
Ngeke ngiyiblame lapho because if you look at into i-line up yethu against into isikhukhune, it's more ama-player arestile bewedlala lapha than ama-player bewedlala kunto ku-AFCON. So ngeke ngiyiblame kangako. Fine yona singaphinde siyiblame because liyanto liya gap liya
asibabize ngamagama. We had uSipho Mbule beyangekho nasebhenchini, uReal uqala ebhenchini, uApolice uqala ebhenchini.
Yes.
Yeah, so ubani ongathi uyamkhalela uthi if besinale player leliyana kuleya game would have done better.
I think if we started unto nge-line up besidlala ngayo esigcine ngayo because sichange kakhulu. We can't count unto uTLB since ehambile, then i-center back i-change yonke. Changeile ngene unto uSibisi, then right back okay gcine unto uLibitso, then kuqale unto Van Rooyen, left back isijwayele uHoto kwaqala unto uNdaba. So i-line up yethu beyichinchile, then you come lapha emidlilini uqale I think ngoTito. We expected uMbule, then asimtholanga uMbule bengekho nasente kumasapu, so ishintshe nje kakhulu nje. We expected ukuthi uApolice uzoqala igame then akayiqalanga naye. Uqala uSibelebele which is umuntu obuya kuphi obuya ku-injury.
Sure. Talking about Umbokazi leaving, we thought mhlambe that's when uRiding Unda would come in after Riding, but we heard ukuthi naye uvayile. Are you complaining about that dispatch kaRiding nganda?
Kuyakhalisa kona kodwa mawubheka ama-game esiwadlalile amaningi engekho siwawinile ama-game amaningi. So I think yena into emshayile ama-injury. Yes ngiyakhala ngokuhamba kwakhe, but then akavulela abanye abantwana i-chance nabo kuChabatsana. Ngithi sign uChabatsana. Leya signing leya kaChabatsana beyikhombisa ukuthi one of them uzohamba between yena noXoki.
Okay.
So angikhali kangako.
All right, mnandi. And then now we're coming back to Riding Ilog. I understand Sundowns were number 1, even though ba complainer bakhala ngopizza kuma stand, they're not happy at all, and bayadlala vandag. But as much as they're not happy, ibhakaniya nalo nekhosi liyaphenika lithi nala season bayenza kanje. Ibhakaniya was number 2, but mababuya then they just know how to win the league. So are you scared manje? Yes, you've got 2 games in hand, but are you scared ukuthi manje obiloku wina kanje Sundowns uzobamba momentum ikushiye njenga last season?
Ama game in hand akusiyama win ama game in hand. So ukuthuka sifukile because we know i-Sundowns ukuthi i-capable of ini, so ukuthuka sifukile. And yona each and every game yakhona ukwina ama-games. You look at le game le bebedlala nento during the week
nesikhukhune.
We all thought ukuthi kuyi-draw leya game leya, then i-coach ayenza lama changes ewenzile, then boom 2 goals. So bona bayakhona ukwina ama-games, then you look at indlela esidropa ngayo ama-points. Yet isimane sithi hayi sinama game in hand, i-Sundowns ayidrop ima-points
iyawina sure.
Yes.
And then there's a dark horse Kaizer Chiefs. Are you worried about them or hayi abantu benu lawo?
Abayeza previous ama-game yabo ngihappy because nabo into ebenzayo we score ukuthi score kanjani abanandaba, we score then we shut the back door, siyavala lapha emuva. It's 3 games, but we know how many? 1-0. Keep Tama clean sheet, Peterson. So iwin it's a win. If ever singakhala kule game ye-Arrows City it's an offside, that's a win. Iwin it's a win. So nabo bayeza and kumnandi top 3 teams yase South Africa my compete so between
and ama point it's only one difference.
Ayifana nalenta last season igap maybe it's 10 points 11 points. Ileague kumele ibe njalo kungafani kube yinto iFarmers League lapho mazithi second leg sesiyazi ukuthi hayi it's obvious iSundowns ithathile abayilwele.
Sure. Talking about ukuthi a win is a win. You won Black Label Cup recently.
Yes.
And you were playing against the Marquis. Why shy Marquis? You shout cheap as Kusasa you facing iMarquis. And then we're going to khala kancane ngescheme sakho ukuthi bayasitheka kancane. So now going to that game, are you confident? And bongathanda ukuthi coach afake bani wazi ukuthi le game ubuya nayo because it's a very important game ukuthi ubuya nayo.
Kusasa we going for a win kusasa because ipressure amakhosi asihleli la entanyeni. Sihleli la entanyeni amakhosi. So kusasa it's a must win. Sigibele phezulu sibe ku number 1. So we expecting ukuthi kubuye ilineup yethu lesiyazi esijwayele like sakhala if you ever yakhumbula first 2 games yethu e-league we play against isikhukhune then nemarumo then we lost loma 2 games based kwini ilineup ka coach. So namanje I think imshayile lapho nalapho then kusasa mazithi kusasa kumele abuyele kunto kuma best players wakhe kazi ukuthi lama player amperformele.
Okay, before we get to prediction yakho kusasa ngifuna uyibize lo line ungayibekele ku coach wena angithi ufuna ukuwina as a super fan yeBhakaniya obvious unochayini
yes goalkeeper of the season. Then we have uLibito i-center back. Okay, singaqhubeka ngonto ngosibisi nonto no Siema. Then left back obviously it's unto uHotho, the ever hard working Hotho. Then lapha emidlilini sinombatha sinomakhawula then sinombule. Then let's go ngaye unto urele nonto no Apolis. Then up front soya ngonto ngoHobson. Then nayi lana iyakwinela leyo sikwinela igame lapho clean
kulo line lapho baganga ke
Trinile hayi asidlali
awusadlalele stadium udlalele arena manje
arena baba I'm still arena hayi
ngilizwile iBhakaniya bafethu. That's 3 Orlando Pirates nil Magesi. But we know what happened last year. iMagesi yabathuma uphuthu. Let's hope this time bazoyithuma uphuthu and they will climb we table babe top of the Chiefs and hopefully what is about number 1 if you do in kusasa. Ibhola lethu ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. Siyabonga bafethu.